yesterday. All my troubles seem so far away. Now it looks as though they're here to stay. Oh, I believe in yesterday. Suddenly, I'm not half the man I used to be. There's a shadow hanging over me. Oh, yesterday came suddenly. Why she had to go, I don't know. She wouldn't say. I said something wrong, now I long for yesterday. Yesterday. Love was such an easy game to play. Now I need a place to hide away. Oh, I believe in yesterday. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. I don't know, it just feels like my voice is flowing more freely than usual, than before, a little bit. I feel like I can breathe more deeply than before, too. And when I exhale, I feel like I can exhale to a more deep point than before. You can kind of feel it. It's funny to say that, but I can kind of feel it. So, let's see. What else can I sing? Slow down. Slow down. Slow down. Slow down. Slow down. You move too much. Slow down. You move too much. Let's see. Can't remember all the words to the song. Let's see. Looking for fun and feeling groovy. Ba-da-da-da-da-da-da. Feeling groovy. Slow down, you move too much. You move too fast. That's it. That's it. That's it. Slow down, you move. Slow down. There we go. There we go. Slow down, you move too fast. You got to make the morning last. Just kick it down the cobblestones. Looking for fun and feeling groovy. Ba-da-da-da-da-da-da, feeling groovy. Hello, lamppost, what you knowin'? I come to watch your flowers growin'. Ain't you got no rhymes for me? Do-do-do, feeling groovy. Ba-da-da-da-da-da-da, feeling groovy. I got no deeds to do, no promises to keep. I'm dappled and drowsy and ready. I'm dappled and drowsy and ready to sleep. Let the morning time drop all its petals on me. Life, I love you, all is groovy. Ba-da-da-da-da-da-da, feeling groovy. Simon and Garfunkel. Let's see. I like The Boxer, too. Is another song I'm trying to remember the words for. Can't quite remember the words right now. So, it's like, in the clearing stands a boxer and a fighter by his trade, and he carries the reminders of every glove that cut him down, something. In his anger and his shame, I am leaving, but the fighter still remains. Mm-hmm. And I'm clearing out my winter clothes and wishing I was warm going home, where the New York City winters are bleeding me, bleeding me. Oh, let's see. How does that? Oh yeah. Okay, I remember how it starts now. Of course. I love that part. Um, I am just a poor boy, though my story is seldom told. I am just a poor boy, though my story is seldom told. I must be doing something wrong because it's not leading me to the next verse. I am just a poor boy, though my story's seldom told. I have squandered my existence. I've squandered my existence for something, such are promises. All lies and jest, still a man hears what he wants to hear and disregards the rest. Well, I left my home and my family. I was no more than a boy in the company of strangers, in the quiet of the railway station, running scared. Laying low, seeking out the poor quarters where the ragged people go, looking for the places only they would know. Lie, 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 la 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 la. In the clearing stands a boxer and a yeah, okay, I'll have to work on it. In the clearing stands a boxer and a fighter by his trade, and he carries okay, fun. It's been fun, thank you.